Hi, my name is Elizabeth Moynihan, and I just wanted to say a few words about NLP for Actors, a system that Nick Dunning has developed to help actors be better at what they do, to enable us to book jobs, to get our confidence back and deal with anxiety and a whole host of other things. I went to Nick in about 2016 because I had sort of hit a wall, really. I had had quite a bit of success in 2015 into 2016 and then nothing, and I started blaming myself. Oh, what am I doing wrong, etc., etc. And I did the Audition magician course, online course that Nick has developed, and the very next day the magic happened. I booked 2 jobs, one to Croatia, all expenses paid, and I'm still getting checks for that job in 2019 as it is now. And then about a month ago, I went back for a little top-up one-on-one session, and again I booked 2 jobs as soon as I'd done that. So I don't know how it works, but it works. So check it out. Bye.